Hi guys, welcome back to our channel IP Fighter. Looking for a proxy service that offers free trial? Today we'll take a closer look at a promising proxy service in the market, IP Foxy. This is IP Foxy homepage. The provider has a vast network of more than 40 million IPs. IP Foxy offers residential and data center proxies, with both IPv4 and IPv6 types. This wide variety allows users to find the perfect type to meet their specific needs. IP Foxy has different pricing plans for each proxy type, allowing for flexibility and customization. The pricing structure is based on IP quantity, bandwidth, and duration, which can range from 30 days to 180 days. Moreover, IP Foxy also provides users with free trial for all proxy types to experience the quality and performance without any financial commitment. However, it's essential to be aware that IP Foxy does not have a refund policy in place. Now I will give you a quick guide on how to get a new proxy. After you've logged into your account, you'll be led to the user dashboard. Here you can choose the type of proxy you want to use. I'm using rotating residential. Choose the IP location, protocol, format, and quantity that you want. Generate, then click Batch Copy to copy the proxy you've just created. To evaluate the proxy's performance, you can set it up directly in your web browser. In this video, we will illustrate how to configure it specifically within HideMyac Anti-Detect browser to avoid website detection. Begin by creating a new profile. At the Proxy tab, choose your proxy HTTP connection type, then add the IP you've just got from IP Foxy. Click Check Proxy to see whether the IP address is still active. You can see the IP is active, click Create and run your new profile. When you run your HideMyac profile, the IP Fighter homepage will open automatically. Here, you can access comprehensive information regarding your IP address and browser fingerprint. IP Fighter has assigned a score of 85 per 100 to this IP address. Click More to see why. You can see the IP is blacklisted by these websites. But if the website you want to access isn't in this list, you can still use the proxy as normal. Next, let's verify the IP registration and speed of this proxy by visiting What is my IP? To delve into the details of the proxy registration, proceed to the IPWHOIS lookup section. You can see the information of the proxy here, which aligns with the proxy location. Next, click Internet Speed Test to check the speed of the proxy. Here is the speed of this proxy. Now let's see if this proxy can help us log into my Instagram account. The website required a verification code from my email. Although I've submitted the code, the site was unable to load. And when I reloaded the page, the site responded that something went wrong. So it seems like this proxy doesn't work well on Instagram. How about TikTok? Succeeded. let's try creating a new account on Etsy. The CAPTCHAs continuously appeared, which suggests that the proxy isn't working well on Etsy. Finally, let's try creating a Twitter account with an email address from Mail. Success! That's all my experience with IPFoxy. If you find this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to get notified about my upcoming videos. If you have any further questions, you can contact us via Facebook or Twitter. Good luck and see you next time.